20,000 pesos. Best in Discipline, 10,000 pesos.
For the special awards, the best choreographer will go home with 10,000 pesos. Best musical director, 5,000 pesos. Best headdress, 5,000 pesos. Best costume designer, 5,000 pesos.
For opening salvo awards, they'll receive for the best overall performance, they'll receive 20,000 pesos. Best discipline for 15,000 pesos. And the best costume, they'll receive 15,000 pesos.
For the consolation prize, there will be 5 prizes at 40,000 pesos each. So that's 200,000 pesos. All in all, Ati Tribe's competition prizes amount to 995,000 pesos. Almost $1 million at cash prizes for the Ati Tribe's competition.